Guess who's back? Back again. Biggie's back. Tell some friends. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally gonna get the detonated motor out of Biggie and start getting the engine bay and everything prepped for the new motor. So stay tuned. Alright, well, we got pretty much everything on the top side pulled off and dealt with. Intakes off, wiring harnesses laid to the side. I gotta get the power steering pump off, and then we can put her up in the air and deal with the rest of the bell housing, starter, and torque converter bolts. Come back up, pop the motor mount bolts, and pop her out. So as you can see, oh yeah, damn! Not just the rod missing, but part of the crank is also gone, and there is still a piston up in that hole over there. So yeah, neat. If you're gonna break it, best break it good.
A few moments later.
Oh, we found some more Carnage. More fuckery. Let's see where the rod was beep bopping on the back of the rear main cover. There's some bits. Some black bits. Excellent. So, we are in need of taking the valve covers off and the timing cover, hopefully to reuse some of the bits. But I also want to get the transmission out of the car so that way that can go to get rebuilt. So, I'm gonna quit talking and start doing. Alright, we got the timing cover off, and just as I hoped, the timing component kit that I literally just installed seems to be unscathed. This is good news. So we are going to use these guides, these chains, on our new motor. I am probably going to go ahead and order new tensioners though, because they're oil driven, and well, we seen the hole in the block. So obviously the oiling system is no bueno, but this is good. We can get the new oil pump on that, and then we can get the timing components on, get it timed. That's probably gonna be it for this here go. Be back tomorrow to work on it some more, but yeah, I'm not gonna film no more today, so okay.